immediately the public will see is we will have a lead prosecutor that will be assigned to each division of court. We have 5 divisions of court in St. Bernard. We'll have division A, B, C, D, and E. A lead prosecutor will be assigned to each division, and he will have a prosecutor who sits second chair with him. So there'll be 2 prosecutors in each division of court on all felony trial dates. Also, we have a violent offender unit. I have a special prosecutor I hire with experience in homicide cases, rape cases, armed robbery cases. We have identified and will continue to identify violent repeat offenders, people, there's 30 to 35 criminals in St. Bernard that have pending charges, but I believe it is vital to take them off the streets. That attorney already has begun working on those cases, and he will continue to work those cases to make sure they get to trial, guilty pleas and guilty verdicts are obtained, and those people taken off the streets. This office will also have a victims' rights coordinator. The people of St. Bernard can expect, if they are a victim of a crime, they will be immediately contacted by this office. They will have someone to speak to and coordinate with concerning that crime and being a victim of that crime. If they have any questions, they will have a contact person in this office. That person will be in direct contact with the prosecutor, and so the communication will be there between my office and the victims of all crimes. The victims' rights coordinator position was never filled by Mr. Riley's office. The state allows a monetary warrant whereby they pay funding for that victims' rights coordinator. So I've already notified the state that that position will be filled. This office will have a victims' rights coordinator, and they will have the sole responsibility of communicating with victims of all crimes. So that'll be an immediate change people will notice. St. Bernard annually has approximately 1,500 felony cases. It's too much to ask 1 or 2 people to handle 1,500 cases. So what I've found by visiting other district attorneys' offices, people, that it becomes a lot more efficient, you get better work product when you assign felony cases per division of court, because now you have 1 or 2 felony prosecutors who are only handling 450 to 500 cases. They can work the cases in much greater detail. They get to know the cases much better, because instead of 1 or 2 people having 1,500 cases, they will have only 450 to 500 cases. So the work product will get much better. And we will see much better results by having more felony prosecutors working in this office. As far as technology, the first thing I had to do was buy brand new computers for all staff. Back brand new, had to buy computers. No attorneys had computers before I was here. So we bought brand new computers for all attorneys, brand new computers for all staff. We are updating the software of this office to a prosecutorial software that will allow all cases to be digitized, all evidence to be digitized, everything scanned into the computer system. Attorneys will be in court with laptop computers and be able to access any and all records right there on their laptop. The access to data and the access to evidence is going to allow everything to run more efficiently. So it's not going to be necessary for an attorney to go send a staff member to a file cabinet to answer someone's question.